So this is a post by David, PMM lead at Notion. He posted these screenshots from their own Notion system, which basically is a voting system. So they have a team, and in the team they click on upvote so that they vote for the colors they want for this specific use case. So I'm thinking of making a similar system on my own Notion. So this is the setup I created. It has the questions, the votes number, and then the button to click to count your vote. So basically I need to create a new database that will have the actual votes. And this is the questions. So for the votes, in this button in here, I will edit the automation, and then I would put so that whenever the button is clicked, we want to add a page to the votes, and this will be at, let me see if we can do whoever clicked. Yes, perfect. So whoever clicked vote, and this will be counting as the vote of the person who clicked. However, now I need to link them together. So I need to link the questions to the votes with a relation. So this is going to be votes. This is going to be the questions. And then I click on add relation. Votes. Okay, I will add an S. So perfect. Now here we have the questions. So if I click here, you see that we are creating the votes. Now I still need to modify this automation to add the relation to this page, and then done. Let me see. Now we click here, and then it's linking. See, if I remove this, now if I vote, it's counting, it's linking to this question, and it's counting the votes. However, we still don't have here the count of votes or the total number of votes. Actually, what we can do is probably just have a roll-up in here. They are using a formula maybe, but let me see. With a roll-up, we can do votes, and we can do count all. Yeah, I think this is a very simple way of doing it, just with the roll-up. So this will change to total or number, and then we have here total votes. So yeah, so this basically will be counting the vote. See, now we added another vote. This one is 4. Now if I add another vote, it's going to be 5. So we can do this, we can do it this way, which is very easy. In terms of formula, I think we can use Notion AI to see what it can brainstorm as formula, but count the number, because I know the issue is we just don't want the same person to vote multiple times and be counted. Count the number of the votes, which are the vote pages linked to this database, but if the same person voted more than once, only count it once. Because the issue with the roll-up is it will count everything. So if somebody forgets that they voted and they click again, they will be counted. But here we need to put a mechanism that stops that from happening. Okay, so here it filters, and then it gets the unique ID of the voter, and then it removes duplicates, and then it counts. Perfect. So this is the correct formula. This is the final one. Okay, let's use this. See, even if I keep voting, it's not gonna count me in this one here because I am the same person. So this is the formula for how they did this in here. And this is a system that can be used in companies. You can use it to vote for the seeders or like literally anything in your company. Yeah, so this was very quick. If you have better ideas, let me know.